friends, welcome back to another episode of Heart to Palate. Today I'm going to share yet another season special recipe which is called Garya Gotyachi Fणसाची Bhaji, because you get the jackfruit in the season and just before it gets ripe, it's come to that stage where you have these फणसाचे जे गरे आपण म्हणतो ते आपल्याला मिळतात, पण ते कम्प्लिटली पिकलेले नाही आहेत. इट हॅज लिटल बिट स्वीट टेक्स्चर टू इट. इट हॅज टेक्स्चर बट इट हॅज नॉट कम्प्लिटली राइप. So that's the texture you want for the bhaji, for this particular jackfruit that you want for this bhaji. Okay, so you can see it's little sweet at the same time. It's not completely ripe. असं जर तुम्ही बघितलं तुम्हाला दिसेल, right? So if you don't find your hands on the jackfruit, fresh jackfruit over here, which I got it from Asian store from here, if you don't have hands on to them, you can use the frozen version which is called jackfruit green. You find it in your frozen section of your grocery store, Indian grocery store. So असेच तुम्हाला गरे मिळतात which are just before ripe stage वाले जे असतात ते. So those you can use, and the jackfruit seeds also, they come in frozen section as well, which you can use instead of this fresh jackfruit. Okay, so for this bhaji what you have to do is, हे जे आठवड्या ज्या आहेत किंवा फणसाच्या ज्या बिया आहेत, those seeds, we just have to crush them with the stone now. फक्त थोडेसे असं क्रश करून घ्यायच्यात like so, and this I'm going to just boil it in pressure cooker. फक्त एक छोटी शिटी येईस्तोवर मी फक्त उकडून घ्यायचं, थोडंसं मीठ घाला त्याच्यामध्ये. So add little bit of salt while cooking these, and then you take off the shell out of it. Okay, so those are the jackfruit seeds I'm going to use. Once they are deshelled, I'm going to use it for the bhaji. Okay, these jackfruit seeds also you can use for your आमटी also. डाळीच्या आमटीमध्ये घाला, खूप छान लागतात, कारण ह्या सीझनमध्ये पर्टिक्युलर तुम्हाला jackfruit वगैरे जेव्हा मिळतं. So please add it to your आमटी too. It tastes amazing. And this particular bhaji I first tasted when I was in 12th grade or so. We were in Konkan that time, and my aunt and uncle, everybody was there. माझी दीपा काकी जी आहे ती पण आमच्याबरोबर होती, and her cousin we had met at the market, and they had taken us to their place, and we were about 18-20 of us, and they had made this bhaji, and my kaki had warned all of us not to take second serving of anything that they give you. Make sure you just eat with whatever they have served you once, and that's it. पण ती भाजी मला अजूनही एवढी डोक्यात आहे ना, म्हणजे त्या आपण म्हणतो ना एक एक आठवणी असतात, तशातली ही भाजी आहे की खूप मस्त, आणि अशी त्या टिपिकल एक तर गावचं पाणी हॅज दॅट टिपिकल टेस्ट. So that's the memory I still have in my mind, and whenever I make this bhaji, I always think about that incident. So thanks to Deepa Kaki for introducing this bhaji to me, Garya Gotyachi Bhaji. So let's get started with the recipe now. So I've taken about half a cup full of freshly grated coconut, out of which more than half I'm going to take for watan. So it has about 2 teaspoons of jeera, which is cumin seeds, and about 2 to 3 green chilies. I'm going to grind it along with the freshly grated coconut. And that अशी भरभरीतच पेस्ट करायची, खूप वाटण हे करायचं नाही. इट हॅज टू बी कोर्स ग्राउंड पेस्ट विच आय एम गोइंग टू ॲड टू द भाजी. अँड फॉर actual tempering also I'm going to use 2 of the green chilies. So I'm going to show you the next step now. So for the tempering of फणसाची bhaji, you require a little bit extra oil. So I've taken about 1.5 tablespoons of oil. To that I'm going to add about teaspoonful of mustard seeds, about 2 teaspoons of jeera, and about half a teaspoon of hing. So हिंग पण थोडंसं जास्त लागतं फणसाच्या भाजीला. So I'm adding that to the heated oil now, and I'm going to add 2 vertically slit chilies. For this bhaji I had taken about 3 cups of jackfruit pieces. So full 3 cupful of jackfruit pieces I had taken, and I had cut them like entire jackfruit. I had cut it into maybe 3 pieces so that all of them are of same sizes. If you can see, my mustard seeds are nicely spluttering. I'm adding about half a teaspoon of haldi to this, and I'm going to add the jackfruit pieces. And I also kept my jackfruit seeds for boiling along with a little bit of salt in it. To this I'm going to add my watan, which I told you, freshly grated coconut, 2 green chilies I had added to it, and 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds I had added, and I had made that coarse paste. You don't have to grind it completely like a fine paste for curry if you do it normally. Just has to be, coarse ground mixture. So I'm going to add that bottle right now. And it was about half a cup full of freshly grated coconut which I had used. And I'm going to just cover the pan now and let the jackfruit cook now. I'll add about a teaspoonful of salt to this. You can make this for upvasachi bhaji also. In that case, you just skip the mustard seeds and haldi, and you could still enjoy this bhaji for when you're fasting. That could be a great option as well in this particular season. I'm going to put the gas on sim now, and I'm just going to cover the pan with water on top of it so it will get cooked. It will take about 7 to 8 minutes, I would say, and we'll check on it after that. So if you want, you think that bhaji is a little bit sticking to the pan, you can add a little bit of water. I'm using the little water that I used from rinse mixer jar. अगदी थोडंसं पाणी घाला, अगदीच वाटलं खाली लागते भाजी तर, आणि let it cook. So it's been exactly 10 minutes since I was cooking the jackfruit. Let's see if it's done. You can see छान शिजलाय आता हा फणस. फार वेळ लागत नाही शिजायला. To this I'm going to add the jackfruit seeds that I had peeled already and boiled them with a little bit of salt. And it's about 3/4 of cupful jackfruit seeds I'm adding. आणि ही भाजी अशी मस्त थोडीशी तिखट थोडीशी गोडूस असते. So I'm going to add about a tablespoon of jaggery to this. If you feel your jackfruit is not that ripe, you can always increase the proportion of jaggery. पण माझे थोडंसं पिकलेलं जरासा एक्स्ट्रा होता असं मला वाटलं, म्हणून मी जास्त घालत नाही आहे गूळ. Let that jaggery melt, and I'm just going to sprinkle some freshly grated coconut over it. And finely chopped coriander. आपली गऱ्या गोट्याची भाजी, फणसाची भाजी is ready. So enjoy this season with season special episodes of Heart to Palate with yet another recipe, which is गऱ्या गोट्याची फणसाची भाजी. So आपली गऱ्या गोट्याची फणसाची भाजी is ready. So jackfruit bhaji is ready to be served. गरमागरम भात आणि डाळीची आमटी with jackfruit seed, which is आठळ्या घालून डाळीची आमटी. त्याच्याबरोबर खाऊन बघा, तुम्हाला कोकणाची आठवण आल्याशिवाय राहणार नाही. So enjoy.